JavaScript, Kotlin, Swift, SwiftUI, PHP, R, C++, C#, C Objective, Lisp, COBOL, MATLAB, and other languages we can use to build the metro systems, airports, docks, also ports and different structures in our world. We can create malls, we can create faculties inside of the universities, and it is actually good, it is amazing, and we are going forward in our life, and we are created. And also rain is starting to pour, is starting to drop their raindrops, and also maybe this a snowflake or snowflakes. There are many of them, not a singular form but plural. We have them, and today we will meet with my friend Misha, and it will be good. We have our velocity, we have our acceleration, we have our positions, we are walking, we are good, and it is our system that we have in our life, and it is actually amazing. And also we have the particles in the air, and we have the molecules, atoms, electrons, muons, fermions, leptons, and also different structures like tau, and also muon, neutrino, tau, neutrino, electron, and also boson W, and other features, also gluon, and the photons, and we have them. And it is amazing, and also we have chemistry, and we are going forward, guys, and it is the moving of our x-axis. If we will imagine that we are walking on x-axis, then we are increasing the parameters actually, and it is good. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and going, or maybe it will be in another language. It will be in German, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and etc. We have them, and also we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9 y 10 y otros números, and we will have it. And also we have Satu 2 tigaim patlima tuju de la pansembilans pulu sebilas duabilas tigabilas dan lainia, and it is from our Indonesian language, and we can count in Russian language to раз, два, три, четыре, пять, шесть, семь, восемь, девять, десять, and etc. We can do this. It's amazing and nice, and we have different people, different structures that are built here, and this the station. We have the variables, object variables, and also objects. What are the objects? We have specific graphics for them, and we have specific communication with the graphics unit in our computer, and we have the variables, and we have the structures. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different structures of pixels. We have actually, it is the set of pixels, and we have the different RGBA schemas, and the windows are RGBA schemas, and also we have the people, and they have the ability to move. They are like ants here, and it's amazing, it is good, and we are here too, and we are walking from side to side, and also we have the pheromones around us, and also different structures, and also some sounds. They are waves of sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant, arctangent, arctangent, and also arcsecant, arcosecant, and arcsine, arcosine, and other features we have, and also properties for them. It is actually good, and we are walking. It is the light we have, different colors, and also white it will be 255, 255, 255, 55. Black will be for the 000. Also green will be for 0 to 255 0, and also blue will be for 00 to 255, and red will be for 255 00. It is different colors, different schemas, and also HSL we can use color mode parenthesis of RGB, color mode parenthesis HSL, HSB, HCL, hue, channel, luminosity or lightness, or maybe it will be another hue, saturation, and lightness or luminosity, or hue, saturation, brightness. We can use them to describe the color. We have also shapes, octagon, hexagon, heptagon, also nonagon, decagon, and pentagon, and also rectangle or square, and also triangle. We have them, and our polygons, and also we have dots, lines, curves, and etc. We have Bezier curves also, and we have specific points. We have the Bezier curves of the linear Bezier curves, quadratic Bezier curves, and also we have the cubic Bezier curves, linear Bezier curves, and also quadratic Bezier curves with P0, P1, P2, and also we have the new cubic Bezier curve. It will be with P0, P1, P2, P3. It is 4 points for the Bezier curves of the cubic version, and it is actually good. And we have different names and structures and arrays and lists, elements or list items. Also we have embark, and also we have different AX, BX, CX, DX, AAX, EBX, ECX, EDX, and also pointers and base pointer, stack pointer, and x86 assembly language we have, and communication with people through the assembly language. And we have the memory inside of the computer, and also motherboard and audio card and video card, and different features that they are providing for us with sounds, and also with video, and also pages and pixels, and also resolutions and frame rate and bit rate, and we have them in our life, and also arithmetic logic or logical unit we have, and it is good too. And also calculations and bitwise, and or, inclusive or, exclusive or, and also and implication, and the error of Peirce, and also Newton, Shannon, and formulas of this nature we have in our life too. We are speaking about them. We are free to speak, and we are free to share our opinion about them, and it actually is amazing. So thank you a lot for watching this video. Misha wrote to me, and have a wonderful day in Brussels daily. Bye bye. Go forward. Compile C++, compile C#. Bye. And assembly language too. See ya.